Looking for a new home? This might be it. AAG recommends this cozy one-bedroom condo. The unit is in move-in condition. It's brand new. Functional kitchenette for those who love to cook. Spacious master bedroom that can fit a good-sized bed. Large wardrobe space for your clothing collection. Check out these amazing facilities. Situated in an excellent location, in the heart of CBD. Amazing unit, isn't it? Make this your home today. Call our AAG Real Estate Consultant to find out more. AAG, the #1 top division in OrangeTee and Thai.